Hey guys, in this video we are going to see about the navigation through this course of cybersecurity which is provided by Cisco. So in navigation through course we will be seeing in detail about how to learn this course, and after learning how to give exam, and after giving the final exam how to earn the certificate. So basically through if we want to learn this course, so the link for the learning of course which is already provided by your college or your mentor. So the link which I already have is this netcat link, so I will just copy paste it and will navigate through this course. So after, if you will see that my cyber security course is provided by my Marwari University, so which can be your university or your individual organization. So for enrolling I have to fill this some details about it, so I will fill accept. So after filling up these details, you will be redirected to your course page. Okay, so here it is written that check your email and click on the link to get started. So here you can see I have got already link. So I have to activate this account, and you have to note down this netcat ID, which will be useful for your future reference and to also earn the certificate. So I will just click on this link for activating my account. So after activating account, you have to fill some personal details which is already auto-filled by your previous mail address. So company self create a password. You have to create a password which is 8 digit long and all. So here you can see uh, how to set a password. So after setting a password, you have this captcha. Okay, so after filling the captcha, you have to simply click on register. So this you can see registration process is now completed. So you will be directly redirected to your course now. So it is you have to sign in through the email address which you already signed in through. So this is my email address and I just simply clicked on next. So it is redirecting now. Okay, so password, the password which you just set it up earlier, so just enter the password, and now you will be redirecting your organization. So after redirecting your organization, you just confirm this uh, all the details which are available here. So just put up your birth date here with, and yes, after putting up birth date, you can select the experience in IT and networking. So I have none. And do you have any disability? No. Okay, so after filling up all the details, you have to just click on create account. Make sure to check all the details which are correct. So you have to launch your course. For example, my course is Learn Athon 2021. So your course may differ, but mine is this. So again, I am redirecting your organization. It will happen 2 3 times. So here you can see I am finally into my course. Okay, so this is the welcome message, and just click on next. So it will be redirecting to various section of this dashboard. So you will see upcoming event and repeat this tour. You can end this tour now. So after launching your course, here you will see which is various activities, your progress, so and various chapters according to your course. For example, in this course I have 5 chapters for introduction to cybersecurity. So and after you will see your grades, which is for each and every chapter you have various quizzes, like chapter 1 ethic quiz and chapter 1 final quiz, chapter 2 terms and concept practice, chapter 2 quiz. So it is also contain practice section. So you have to just click on launch chapter 1. From here you can learn your chapter 1 or your course. So it will be loading and it is just click on any image to begin, which is for security purpose. So it is now officially started of learning. You just have to read this and the what is the content provided here. You just have to read this and click on the next button for another slide, and the same thing which is going till here. You can see the chapter numbers and going, and you will the end of the chapter. So I'm closing right now. So here it is how you can navigate through your chapters, and also subsection for it. This is chapter 2 and this is subsection of chapter 2.2. Just like this you can navigate. For example, I'm clicking on chapter 1 quiz. Okay, so it is showing me attempt quiz now. From here you can attempt quiz. So I'm just showing you demo how to attempt quiz. So for example, which method is used to check integrity of data? So checksum is used. Okay, so just like this you can click on the option. For example, I choose the checksum. So like this you can select all the options, and here you can see finish attempt. After finishing attempt you will see your result. Okay, return to attempt, submit all and finish. If you submit all and finish, you will be seeing your result. For example, this is correct, and if your answer is incorrect, like this, so here you will see the correct answer of that question. Okay, so and in the end sorry, in the side you will get marks, which is marks 2 out of 2. Okay, and here also you can see grades and marks and time taken and all that. So after this this was the quiz about chapter 1, and here you can see the tick mark which is already completed. So after the completion of all the courses you have to uh, register for the final exam, which is already here, but it is not available unless, because we don't have completed end of the course feedback. Okay, so we just have to complete the end course feedback. So after completion of the end course feedback, we will be uh, available for final exam. Okay, so for activating this end course feedback, you just have to click on tech assessment. You will be redirected to another tab of your browser. So if you are ready to take this assessment, click on continue. So this is survey. This is the basically survey. It contains some 16 item as written here, and 15 minutes to complete. So just begin your assignment, and it is just question and answer, and it is the survey. So just take this survey according to your convenience and submit it. Okay, after completion of the end course feedback, which is you can see there is a tick mark here. So after end course feedback, you can give the final exam. Okay, so in a final exam, you will be seeing it will be cover the material for the introduction to cybersecurity course, means the whichever course the provided in by your instructor. So it will be here, and this exam will be scored using weight model, which is basically the MCQ, and based on your marks in MCQ you will be provided certificates which is must be greater than 70%, then and then only you will get uh, this certificate. So if you want to take this, just click on that and click continue. So you have to begin the course, and just remind that you only have 3 attempts to complete the exam, only 3 attempts. Okay, so just begin the assignment, and you will be seeing with means the various MCQ. Here it is the 21 MCQ showing. You have only 1 hour time to complete this 21 MCQ. Okay, so after submitting the assessment, you will be see here, because just I have completed this. So just click on this grade assignment. So after grading, you will be see your points, means your results on the various topic. For example, I earned 15 points on domain knowledge, cybersecurity data. I only earned 2 points. This is only for information purpose, not serious purpose. So these are the grades of yours. Okay, so just close this window, and after this just go into your home page, where you can see final exam is already completed. So just click here, certificate of completion. So you have to follow this procedure for getting certificates. Just cisconetcat.com, click on your name, because if you will create it, then your name will be there, and certificate completion section to generate your certificate, just click on that. That's how you can review your certificate, get your certificate from Cisco. So that's all about this cybersecurity course which is provided by Cisco. We have seen in this video so how to navigate through the courses. Thanks for watching.